Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. So sum of 5 consecutive even numbers of a sequence A is 220. So there are 5 consecutive even numbers. Let's say the numbers are x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and x plus 8, whose sum is equal to 220. Now, what is the sum of a different sequence of 5 consecutive numbers whose second lowest number is 37 less than double of the lowest number of sequence A? So there is a second series whose second lowest number. So let's say there are 5 numbers. So second lowest number is 37 less than double of the lowest number. So lowest number is x. So this number is actually equal to 2x minus 37. Now let's solve for x and then we will look into the second series. Now we have 5 terms here. So we have 5x plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 20 is equal to 220. That means 5x is equal to 200 or x is equal to 40. Now we got the value of x as 40. So let's try to figure out the next series. So this will be 2 into 40 minus 37 or is equal to 43. Now the question is very tricky, right? Because they have said the second lowest number, not the lowest number. The second lowest number is 37 less than double of the lowest number of sequence A, right? So very tricky statement. Make sure that you're able to write it correctly so that you're able to get the second term as 43. That means the second series is 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. And we need to find the sum of the second series. Now, we know that since they are consecutive numbers, so they form an arithmetic series, and sum of arithmetic series is also equal to average multiplied by the total number of terms, and average will be the middle term, which is 44. So sum will be 44 into 5 or is equal to 220. So answer will be option number A. Now, if you want to master the concepts of sequence, do check out the theory video and the playlist provided in the description of this video, where I teach you both the theory concepts and also tell you how to solve the problems for sequence. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.